Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Wendy here from Wendy's Craft Den, and today this came yesterday, but I've only opened it today because my battery went flat and other things happened, so it didn't lost piece of paper. Oh, well, never mind. Right, I have taken the wrappers off because all that noise, you don't want that. And what was impressed me is, I know this is only a small piece of paper, but this is what they used as extra padding, which is brilliant, because usually what happens is you get this, you get something that doesn't fill the box, and you just got reams and reams and reams of paper that you've got to go through. But look, that is wonderful. Right, where is that piece of paper I had? Now this is from a company. Well, it's from a company called Mycraftart, and I'm just going to take all of these out of the box now and get rid of the box. Mind you, that is a useful box. I must say that. Yeah, just have my cup of morning coffee. Right, now, should we go with that one first? No, let's go with this lot. Here we go, here we are. Right, Mycraftart.com. Brilliant company, wonderful prices, excellent customer services, and I ordered this on Tuesday and I got it yesterday, Thursday, so 2 days. I got this in 2 days, and it's from Poland. It's a Polish company, but what is really good is that you can translate their site into English, obviously, so I can understand it. They didn't do Welsh, but I'm fine with that. Right, now then, let's have a look to see what we've got here. I'll put all them over there for a minute, out of the way. Right. Now, as you can tell, I haven't used these before, but I presume that these go in there. They're to make exploding boxes. So you make the box, you go like that, like that, like that. Of course, you're supposed to burnish all corners, but a boing, there we go, exploding box. Actually, I wonder if I could actually just leave it like that, so when they open it then, boing. Oh well, simple things, eh? Simple things, please, simple minds. And I've got a couple in blue and a couple in white. I think it's got, yes, different sizes. So that's a big one and that's a little one. I'm going to have fun doing these, aren't I? I've never made one of these before. Oh, there's another one. I'm going to be going on to mycraftart.com later on when I'm a bit more awake. And I will see how to make these boxes up. Now then, this paper here is designed by Claudia. I'm not going to pronounce your name, I'm sorry. And the painting is done by Anna. And it's a company called Scrap by Me, Blooming Magnolia. Isn't that beautiful? And what I expect you already know, but if you didn't know, when you get these papers, well, I didn't know until lately, so on the front cover you will get little swatches of what's in there, and I liked what I saw, which is why I bought it. There we go. So on the reverse of this, you don't need to throw it away or cut it up, or throw it away rather, because you've got all these elements at the back. These, look at that. It's got a little bit of script there, which I do like my script. And look at that. Wow. Ooh. Scrap by Me, made in Poland. That's pretty. And that, look. Again, you've got this little script running through it. Put that round the right way. And look at this, you've got so many things. You can either do it going vertically or horizontally. Horizontally, oh well. And then you've got that plain subtle one at the back. Oops. Right, this one. Oh, I must have mixed these up somehow. But look at those beautiful magnolia flowers. You could fussy cut those out. And just put them in the corner of a card, couldn't you? And that is beautiful. Look at that. Ooh. Now this is another absolutely. I'm sorry. I am saying beautiful and etc. a lot because these are beautiful. Once again, it's got a little script in the back. Oh, that's a bit bright, but never mind. And then this one again with the script. And what I like about this script is it's not sort of in your face, if you know what I mean. It's subtle, because I find that you might do as well, is when you get a script, you want to stand there and read it all, don't you? And it's usually in a language you can't understand. But this is just gentle, so you're not tempted to stand there and read this. Read that. Right, so now then. This one. Ooh. Now, I follow Amelia. She is one of the lovely ladies that does beautiful flowers. She does it Papermona flowers. And I've learned a lot from Amelia. There's two. There's Amelia and Monika, Papermona. They've been my constant companion, as you say. And here we go again, little swatches of what's inside with a cute little corgi. Well, I think it's a corgi, but I'm not sure. But there we are. Right, move my coffee. It's my first cup of the day and it tastes wonderful. Right, so you've got, looks like lace and knitting and all sorts. Right, open this up. And this is on the reverse, so again, no wastage on the, no wastage with the card there. Big, beautiful big card with that, or just a little card with that on, and the person can write their sentiments in there, couldn't they? Yeah. Oh, I'm getting too clever, aren't I? Not really. Beautiful purple, of course, purple, my most favourite colour. Actually, purple, you can mix it with anything. I didn't realise until I looked at this how many colours it goes with. So that's another big tick for purple. Right, over here then, you've got the wood effect, which is brilliant. Again, you could use that for a man's card. I mean, this one here as well, from the last collection, you could use that for a man's card. You know, usually we try and do dark or browns or beiges for men's cards, but you don't have to do that because, you know, men wear pink shirts and stuff like that, so they can have pink, well, not too feminine obviously, but they could have nice cards. You've got this one, it's a cable running down there, so you can just cut that piece out. And if you cut that piece out, then you just got to smitter in the flowers. Beautiful. Here, all lacy stuff, and I've got designs for that already. And here we are, there's that cute little corgi again. Beautiful lace, look at that. And, oh, doesn't that chair look comfy? Oh, a comfy chair and a log fire on a winter's night. Oh, and a good book, of course. Yes, so that's beautiful. It's got the odd little piece of ribbon there as well. It's just a little something, but it adds so much to these papers. It really does. Right, in the back, some more wood grain, like I've got here. And then this here, that can be used either going across the bottom or going, we could either do it horizontally or vertically. It's beautiful. Again, these little wisps of ribbon, they don't look like much, but they really do finish the design. Oh, look at these. Now these are all elements that you can cut out. Now I've got a scan and cut, so what I'm going to do later on, I'm going to try put this through to see how many bits they pick up and use, but the trouble is then if you use those, oh, I like papers where you've got nice one side and not very nice the other side, because then you're not torn between what to use then. So you've got these pieces here again, little tiny little strips of ribbon. Oh wow, that's bright. You feel, it looks like it should feel more plushy and, you know, velvety feeling. It's beautiful colours. Now, I'm not going to say whether that's green or blue because I can't tell. So I've got a neighbour, she likes blue, so maybe this will be something for her. And here we go. Next page, last page now. You've got all the pumpkins and the roses, the lace, little squiggles. And then on the reverse side then you've got the Aaron jumper. And if you listen to this, that's how thick the pages are. Absolute wonderful quality, wonderful company, fantastic customer services. Right, oh, and these were in there as well. These are just little pieces that you can cut out a decoupage. Oh, dear me. Cut out a decoupage, and then these are little leaves that you can tuck behind them. So that's my unopening of my latest package, and I hope you like it and that you'll follow me through my journey of using up these papers. So I'd like to thank you for this now, and I might see you later on today. Thank you. Bye.